Hello and welcome to an international conference on virtual reality 2021. This is Runumani Das, a research scholar with co-author Madhusudan Devi, Faculty of Education and Education Technology, University of Hyderabad. Our topic is augmented reality as a performance enhancement technology in primary education, a systematic view. Outlines are introduction, augmented reality application in primary education, augmented reality as a performance enhancement technology, conclusion and discussion. So, basic introduction is with the changing time, technology has improved and adopted new information, tools, and techniques. Adopting technology improves human lifestyle, educational development, economic growth, and development of many social aspects. The former instructional method and techniques are changing gradually due to the new invention of technological aspects. Augmented reality is the new term in the technology field as well as in the educational field, or we can say in the educational setting. Especially in primary education, augmented reality is effectively organizing the learning habits of the learner by imposing AR applications and tools. Augmented reality produces a reality that is enhanced and augmented by bridging the virtual and real worlds. Augmented reality application uses their combination of real world with a virtual object to create an environment that provides effectual learning experience. Then let's talk about augmented reality. What is augmented reality? So according to Kolper, the term augmented reality should not be defined narrowly. This phrase can be used to describe any technology that combines real and virtual data in a useful way. The term augmented reality has been derived from the Latin word augmenter, which means to enhance the actual world with a virtual aspect. For the first time in the year 1968, Ivan Sutherland had used the term augmented reality. AR is a technology that brings real world settings and virtual items together in an interactive learning environment at the same time. Augmented reality is the condition of superimposed object which connect with reality to enhance the learning environment productively. In other terms, AR adds a digital layer to real world imagery such as audio, text, graphic, video, GPS, location information, and 3D models to create multimedia content. Augmented reality is used to enhance and augment reality, which helps humans to perceive reality in a more enhanced way. As a result, people who use augmented reality can see, hear, feel, smell, and even test virtual experiences in the actual world. These are the pictures of augmented reality that used in primary education. Now we can say that the augmented reality is the technology to visualize abstract concepts in the real world. It has three main characteristics such as connecting virtual and real objects into reality, working in real time interactively, aligning virtual objects and real objects. In recent times, augmented reality has been used in various fields to utilize time and information accurately. In the fields such as medicine, tourism, entertainment industry, engineering, etc., has been using AR to utilize human capital. Augmented reality is developing its trends in an educational setting as well. In the educational setting, AR has been used to enhance learners' performance in active learning. The visualizing technique with the sound effect of AR is helping teachers and learners to understand concepts meaningfully. Various applications of AR is helping students to learn abstract concepts such as physics, chemistry, biology, social science subjects effect. Augmented reality in primary education. So AR is the new generation technology with its unique features has constructively connecting learner through learning. Modern learning has included AR applications in a teaching learning environment which enhance learners' performance. In primary education, augmented reality is used to make learning joyful and active. Research conducted by Dimitriadou et al. Found that using augmented reality to teach mathematics in primary education improves interactivity and students' interest. Another study conducted by Amar et al. In their empirical study found that AR technology improves the English alphabet learning of the students. A study conducted by Lelia et al. 2020 found that AR is helpful to study natural science subjects in primary education. Augmented reality uses two-dimensional, three-dimensional model, a live visual concept to connect the real world with a virtual object. With AR technology, students of primary education learn alphabet, linguistic, and literary concepts, biology, vocabulary, mathematics, etc. in a more active way. So, now how augmented reality can enhance performance of the learner. That means augmented reality as a performance enhancement technology. The term enhancement can be defined as a term that increases or improves the quality. Augmented reality has a lot of potential in elementary school since it may help pupils with cognitive acceleration, self-management, and practice-based activities. Burrows and Cabero conducted a comprehensive study that found that AR objects piqued students' interest both in technically and artistically, as well as for their simplicity of uses. Augmented reality has the potentiality to enhance the performance of the learner since it generates interest motivation of the learner. In primary education, augmented reality is used to teach the abstract concepts of natural subjects such as physics, chemistry, mathematics, etc., which improves the motivation, interest, and interactivity of the learner. In social sciences, AR is used to study history, geography, language, alphabet, etc. As a result, AR is the technology that enhances students' performance in learning concept interactivity. Now, the conclusion and discussion. Today's education system is changing with the rapid uses of technology in the classroom, laboratory games. Technology is used as a tool in the classroom to enhance the learning performance of the teacher and learners. It helps to improve communication, interaction, motivation, interest of the learner. Technology such as information and communication technology, ICT, virtual reality, blockchain technology, augmented reality has been used in the educational settings to enhance learner performance. Thus, AR technology is the powerful weapon to transform dull to the interactive classroom. Augmented reality applications have been used in primary education to enhance their language learning, alphabet learning, natural subject learning, and many more. Thus, it is helpful for the learner to equip with the subject knowledge and understand conceptual knowledge with full motivation.